really happy to see the significant win you had, and it's a pleasure to congratulate you on your electoral victory. Mr. President-elect, I'd like to call you President.
Your Excellency, it's a great honor for me, Mr. President. Great honor to be speaking to you, sir. A great honor.
I'm really happy to see the significant win you had, and it's a pleasure to congratulate you on your electoral victory by expanding our cooperation on issues like trade, investment, health cooperation, and respect for human rights, a whole range of things. And I think we can accelerate Indonesia's clean energy transition. So we want to be a partner.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so I really will work to enhance our friendship, our cooperation, and I really feel really honored that I'm speaking to the President of the United States. And actually, I'm a great admirer of you, sir. I followed your career a long time. I'm a great admirer of you, sir.
We have a lot of responsibility, particularly in the Pacific and throughout the region. So I'm really looking to be able to stay close with you.
Thank you, sir.
Saya Yasir Neneama. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.